Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can customize the Windows 11 and 10 laptop settings. So whenever you close the lid, your system gets shut down. If you don't want to do it, so you can do that as well. And many more settings we can configure that. You should have knowledge about that. Open the control panel and go to large icons here. If it is like this, go to large icons. Once you go to large icons, you need to go to this option which says power options. Now in the power options guys, on the left hand side you need to go to choose what closing the lid does. Tick this option, and if these options are grey out or you are not able to click that, you just need to click on change setting that are currently unavailable. Now should be coming up. So the option is when I press the power button. So if you select here the sleep, so whenever you press one time power button on your laptop, it will go to sleep. But if you don't want to do it, you want to shut down it, so you can select that option, select down, and this one for plug-in, this on the on battery. When I close the lid, you can see here the sign, the lid one, so it will go to the sleep. But if you want to do it nothing, your system, your laptop will keep on, and you can perform this step when downloading the big file. So you can keep your laptop lid closed while it is on, and do nothing. Whenever you close your lid, system will remain on in this case. But if you want to make it to shut down, whenever you close the lid, your system will be shut down without any clicking on this option. You just need to lid close the lid, and thereafter you will get your laptop shut down after applying this method. Okay, so I hope this will help you to save your time as well as do some productivity. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.